22 including us. So it's 20 around, approximately.
So if you people have any problem, any issues you faced during last session, please let us know. So Shivani Sinha, you want to say something? Shivani
Actually,
Sinha?
yes, sir. So actually, this question is not related to what you have taught me in the previous session, but it is related to what once NK Mishra sir had said. So I had a query regarding that. Can I ask about it?
Yes, please.
सर एक्चुअली सर हैड मेंशन दैट कि अगर हम लोग जैसे दो अलग अलग लेते हैं तो उसकी क्या होती है कि उसकी डेफिनेशंस या आपकी मेथोडोलॉजी डिफरेंट होती है तो मतलब अगर हमने जैसे कि दो डेटाबेस यूज किया है अपनी रिसर्च के लिए सपोज दैट तो उसको हम कंबाइन करके ऐसे डायरेक्टली यूज नहीं कर सकते हमको उसकी मेथोडोलॉजी और उसने कौन सी सैंपल यूनिट लिया वो क्रॉस वेरीफाई करनी पड़ेगी और इन केस अगर जैसे डिफरेंट होती है तो can we use it together or we cannot use that in
See,
such
if you are talking about NSS data,
yes sir
two rounds you are talking about, like some data is taken from suppose 2027 2017 data, and second
yes
data is 2019 data. So you
yes
want about the comparison of these data sets?
yes sir matlab suppose that we have taken NSS data for 2000 suppose that from 2000 to 2019 ठीक है for to create a time series data so in that case sir has said that ki previously after in 2017 or something like that methodology have changed so in that case can we use the data directly or we have to look after that or make changes according to the change in the methodology
you have to mention because each data has a unique sample. Okay, so their sample size is also different. So if you are doing any trend analysis, so you have to mention sample frame, sampling design, and everything of all two data sets if you are using for 2 rounds of NSS data or PLFS data. Now NSS data is I think modified in the name of PLFS data. So you have to mention PLFS, and if you want to any comparison from earlier NSS data, then you have to check the technicalities, sample size, and whether schedule was different. So these things you have to mention when you write a paper, or even in thesis, you have to write some notes about this. Okay.
okay yes
And
thank
other
you.
technical details, Manik will explain.
Yes.
Yes.
Can I explain? In
Yes.
case of Shivani,
Yes,
in case of older NSS employment and employment round and latest PLFS, you can compare overall in previous NSS data, you can compare with PLFS visit 1 because it's for both rural and urban. But PLFS has selecting one specific data that is only for urban area to capture labor market volatility in urban area, that is rotational panel. So you can't compare that that panel exclusively for urban area to earlier urban data which is provided in employment and unemployment survey. But you can compare older employment and unemployment survey with recent PLFS visit 1 because they have followed almost means 97-98% same sampling strategy, sampling frame and all.
yes. Thank you, sir.
Anyone have any doubt, question, queries? So please ask me.
So I have a question.
Yeah, please.
So I wanted to know the method that we use to create the dictionary text file.
Mhm.
Will that be the same for other surveys also, like consumer expenditure survey and all of the other NSS data?
Almost same. Almost means
But there will be differences.
yeah.
Okay. Okay.
It's almost same, but in some round like NSS 64, I think. Kunal sir, please correct me if I am wrong. That 64th round of NSS data that cover migration and all.
Yes.
Yeah, this that round arrangement of data is level wise. Means in level one you got only for some state and means means you have to use same dictionary for different level
Yes. Yes.
and each and every level
No, no.
has some set of
For
state.
each
After
level we
that
have
you have
separate
to
dictionary.
append it.
Each level we have separate dictionary, separate layout.
Separate
Yeah.
layout. First you have to import it that after that you have to append it to generate all over India, means all India file because it was arranged at state wise.
Yeah.
State means set of
If I
states.
remember correctly, it has groups of states,
Yeah, it's
or
group
five
of
groups of state, and you have to append one by one.
five.
But
Yes.
earlier round, in health round, I remember it has rural and urban separate levels. So you have to
Huh.
append rural and urban separately. But in
But you have to
the grouping of states, you have to append one by one.
one by one, exactly.
Yeah.
But Neeraj, nowadays NS means PLFS method is same same for all the PLFS rounds like PLFS 1, 2, 3.
So for the subsequent rounds, it will be the same. But for the older ones, it might be a little different.
Yeah.
Earlier, because each round has no different experimentation and different things. So sometimes they gave us like levels related to rural and urban separately. So you have to append
Okay.
these. But further, they gave a
Existing
group of states. Okay. So
and
accordingly, actually, it's an
also
evolving thing. To simplify things, they do this kind of changes. And latest change is the PLFS. PLFS has
Okay.
become, I think, more simplified. Manik, if I am
Okay.
correct. So Neeraj, you have joined today or yesterday also you are in the link?
So I was there yesterday also.
Okay, so we didn't hear from you. So please introduce
Uh,
briefly yourself.
yes, sir. My name is Neeraj Nirola.
Yeah.
I'm currently pursuing a PhD from JNU CSRD.
Okay.
And I'm also teaching in Shahid Bhagat Singh College, University of Delhi.
Okay,
so
so what's your base subject? Masters.
under whom?
Uh,
Under whom?
under Professor Deepak Mishra.
Oh, great. Oh,
Yes, sir.
Deepak Mishra sir knows me very well.
Oh,
Uh,
अच्छा.
yes, and your senior Nishikant Singh, he did masters in population studies from IIPS.
Oh, अच्छा, I might
So
not know him.
oh, so from which subject you belong, means which discipline?
I did my master's in development studies from Ambedkar University, and then I
Okay.
did my MPhil in planning and development from IIT Bombay.
Oh, it's
And
very
that
really interdisciplinary. So, in which department you are teaching in Shahid Bhagat Singh?
economics department.
Economics. Very good. Good, good. So, it's nice to hear from you. So, some other members who have joined today or they didn't introduce themselves, please introduce yourself briefly in 1 minute. किसी ने उस दिन कल नहीं अपनी बातें की, अपने बारे में नहीं बताया. प्लीज कोई नया नेम दिख रहा है? नीरज ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया. प्रीति वर्मा, यू हैव इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ. प्रीति वर्मा, हेलो. Shreya Singh, have you introduced yourself?
Hello.
Yeah, Preeti Verma.
Good morning. Yes, sir. I am Preeti Verma.
Yes, from where, which university?
Yes, sir. I am Preeti Verma, research scholar, also JRF in Allahabad University, and I have completed my MA in Kanpur University. And my research topic is दिव्यांग सशक्तिकरण का समकालीन संदर्भ अमृत महोत्सव कानपुर
Yeah.
नगर के
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
I
And
introduce myself.
yeah, okay, okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Shreya, you have introduced yourself. Shreya Singh. Shreya. Shreya, you are online. Hello. Okay, no problem. So, Manik, please carry on.
Okay, sir.
So, this session can go till 1. Okay.
So now the process of extract the data. Just open your data, go to file, and then go to this import section and select this fourth one, text data in fixed format with dictionary. And first of all, you have to select your dictionary location. For example, I have saved my dictionary at this GBPSSI Summer School. This one, DIC HH Household Visit 1. I am selecting this, open. It will be shown here. And after that, you have to select text data set file name. Just click to browse, go to here, select all files, and I have downloaded and saved it here, HH104 first visit final. Okay. So select is open and then click in this OK. You will get this type of coding or something in your data. Okay. You all have done that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you have this variable view here, your right hand side. Just read it variable one, field identification, and this one dictionary. First field one, variable one, okay? Variable one, field identification, variable two, schedule, okay? Variable two, schedule, and likewise. Now to check it, just match this number 101579 observation, read it, okay? You have to check this number from this layout file, sorry, readme file. Here HH household visit 1 text data number of record is 101579. If this and this must be equal 01101579. Okay. So please match your data records available here 101579 observation, read it in your data and match from here. Household visit 1, number of record 101579. It must be matched. Okay, you all have matched that, or are you facing some problem? Please let me know.
It's a match, sir.
Okay, good. Nice.
Sir, We are getting that number of records are 100480. The number of records are different for your case and our case.
So that means
That HHV1, the text file, the number of records are, we are getting that 100480. But
no,
here
no,
it is 10579.
means I have this record in my readme file and same record here. Okay.
Okay, sir. It
No,
has
no,
matched with that data, that observation and this observation, but I'm asking that your observation is different. That's why I'm telling you.
no, no. My observation is different from whom, and I have
Sir,
same observation here and here also.
Yes, sir.
Means,
It's the same for us also.
no, no, you have different information here, different number of records here.
No, no, we have the same, sir.
Okay.
We got the same as you.
no, I have
I mean, I
downloaded
got the
that
same as you.
19.
1920, sir, and you have downloaded 1819. That is why.
Obviously different.
Okay, sir.
Now
Okay.
I am using 1819 PLFS data. So please use that because next means next to next resource person will use also this 1819 data. Okay. Now we have to repeat same process to extract this one. Person visit one, just download it and create dictionary using this one. Personal visit first. Just paste this variable and length here and repeat same thing to create dictionary for level 2. Level 2 means this one. Primary person visit 1. After that, we will create common ID and merge both files. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So please repeat for person file and import this. So your step will be first you have to create dictionary. First you have to create dictionary using this file person called first visit. You have to copy this and this, paste it in another Excel sheet like this and generate this all variable, copy this and create dictionary and after that import. And first just save this data in your file, like click in save button and just write a name, household, first visit 2018-19. You will get this type of information in at your data screen. Save this. So please complete this process before making dictionary for personal file. Click here to save. Okay. And save your file where you want to save it.
Okay, sir, proceed.
So just save it and create a dictionary for level 2. Process and steps will be first copy this and paste it in another Excel sheet like here. Okay. Again, copy this field length. Okay. Write this as STR percentage. Drag it and just copy and change it like variable 32 because sorry 33 because you have already written variable 1 to variable 32 here, so you have to mention different name like B33 and select this one, drag it. Okay, copy dictionary, middle bracket open, paste it, middle bracket close, end, and again save it like dictionary, person, okay, and download that this one, free first visit. It will take some time. Your step 1 is copy this full name from second table of your layout file, that is person first visit. Paste it here and copy again field name. Write as STR this. Same formula we will use here, and one thing that is you have already write variable 32 here, so you have to change the name. So now the variable 33 will be 33 to 32120. This copy this and save as a dictionary. Like this.
So can you show the last one, sir? Occurrence of state etc. Last.
This one?
Yes, sir, this one. Can you scroll down, sir, at the end? Okay. 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 Thank you, sir.
This three or four variable is same.
Mhm. Okay, sir.
Copy all from here and create a dictionary like this. Meanwhile, just click on this for download because it will take some time. So have you created your second dictionary, dictionary for personal file?
Yes.
Hello, am I
Yes, sir.
audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And also
Yes, sir.
downloaded the person file data for first visit?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And again, do the same process, go to file, import, text data text data in fixed formats with a dictionary, and then you have to select the second dictionary. I have named as a DIC for PR for person file first read, okay? And secondly, you have to select the second data, this the dictionary, this one, PRE 104 final, okay? Just click on. Before importing another file, you have to clear it because now data is here, okay? So just write clear, CLEAR, and enter. It will be clear, okay? Now follow after doing this, clear your current data. Just follow the same process. Go to file, import with fixed format with dictionary, and select second dictionary and second data file. And another and also check with this number. Check this match this number from this 420757. 420757.
Sir, how do we clear the results window? Clear the data?
Yes,
How to clear the data? I didn't quite get that.
yeah, clear first. Use this command CLER,
Okay.
then follow the same process for second to import personal file.
Okay.
Okay, shall we proceed?
So I'm not able to open it. It's giving some error.
So then please correct your dictionary file. I think there must be some problem in your dictionary file.
Just checking that.
Hmm?
I'm just checking that. Just a minute.
Okay, okay. Anyone had completed this, imported this second level data?
Yes, sir.
Shivani, have you completed
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir. I have completed that one.
And also matched with
Yes,
this
sir. It is. Yes, sir.
number?
It is same. Yes, sir.
Oh,
420757. Yes, sir. It is same.
okay, okay, good, good. Then Shivani, save it like this, save, uh, person, first,
So I have saved it, but how do you get to this screen? So please, can you repeat this one?
hmm? Please speak loudly.
So I had already saved it, but the screen which you were showing is not showing to me. So how you have got there? So can you repeat that step after saving that, what you have done?
So just click here and save where you want to save it. I didn't get your question actually. Hello.
So I had saved already. I did that. So the screen which
Sir,
you are showing.
Manik sir,
Yeah. Please, yes. Tell me.
सर ये मतलब जो उस स्टेप के बाद से था कि हमने डायरेक्टरी फाइल और डेटा फाइल को पुल किया, उसके बाद से तो कैन यू थोड़ा सा रिपीट, मेरा आ नहीं रहा है वैसे।
कहाँ से करना है रिपीट?
सर ये जो डायरेक्टरी फाइल और डेटा फाइल को हमने अलग अलग सेव कर और यहाँ पर इंपोर्ट इस डेटा पर जो फोर्थ ऑप्शन था
इंपोर्ट
वहां पर
करने वाला
जाकर कर लिया, उसके बाद से ये स्क्रीन कैसे आएगी? जो
कौन सी स्क्रीन?
सर जैसे हमने जब जैसे ऊपर जब हम इंपोर्ट पे गए उसके बाद हमने डायरेक्टरी फाइल को भी डायरेक्टरी फाइल और डेटा फाइल को सेलेक्ट कर लिया, उसके बाद इनफिक्स कमांड जब इनफाइल कमांड कैसे यूज करना है एक बार वापस चेक कर दीजिए।
Your voice is breaking.
सर अभी आ रही है?
हाँ थोड़ा ठीक है।
सर मैं ये बोल रही हूँ जैसे इनफाइल कमांड को एक बार आप रिपीट करके दिखा देंगे कैसे आया?
इसमें ना ये गो टू फाइल इंपोर्ट टेक्स्ट डेटा इन फिक्स फॉर्मेट विद डिक्शनरी, यहाँ क्लिक करो, फिर जहाँ तुमने डिक्शनरी सेलेक्ट किया है उसको डिक्शनरी यहाँ इसमें आओ, ब्राउज में यहाँ से ऑल फाइल सेलेक्ट करो। जैसे मैंने ये डिक्शनरी पर्सन select this one, after that you have to select your data, just select this, okay, and press here. Okay, oh sorry, it's full.
Okay.
Here import this one, okay. Now okay, now click here to save, click this window to save and save where you want to save.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Got it. Thank you. Thank you.
Now we will create a common ID. Common ID means we will assign a single identification number to each household and each individual. Okay. For doing this, and NSS also provides some instruction. Here is this. We have to use this quarter, visit, FSU serial number, hamlet group. This all variable are available in your data like this. FSU, this and this. Okay. Do you know what is the logic behind common ID? Common ID is yeah, please, Anjali.
common
हाँ, बोलो. Anyone?
sorry, I lost in between. I'm saying common ID is a unique ID which help us in identifying the person using the household number or personal ID number, sector number, so that we can combine the household information and the personal level information.
Okay. Yeah. So to combine the any two file, whether it is household file or individual file, or both will be the individual file, or both will be the household file, we have to generate one common ID. On the basis of that common ID, we will merge two files. So as NSS given some instruction to create this common ID. So we have to use first variable this FSU serial number, Hamlet subgroup, second state stratum, and lastly household sample sample household number. And this number in bracket, it's showing this one length, this length. Okay, so that means our first FSU serial number have 5 length 5, then Hamlet is 1, second state stratum is 1, and sample household is 2. Now total we have 5, 6, 7, 9 length. Length 9 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our unique ID or common ID would be like 1 to 9, means different permutations of numbers between 1 to 9. Okay. So before merging it, we have to create this common ID. So just open your Stata and here your existing file. Open this and select the first that is household file. Okay. So this is a household first visit 1820. Click here and write a command generate gen str11 generate cid str11 equals to str means we are going to generate a string variable. String means non-numeric variable, because in dictionary we have created all variable as a string variable, str. Okay. So first of all, we have to generate CID in string format. After merging that, we will convert all the data in these strings, means numeric value. Okay. So just write a command gen CID str11, and what is the first variable? This one. Please use only this. Forgot about these two variables. FSU serial number. Okay. FSU serial number means this one variable, this FSU variable 13 plus sample second V14 plus V15 second state stratum, and finally sample household number and enter it. Okay. So you will find your new variable is created, that's called CID. Okay. Now you will use command browse brcid to find this. Now we have common ID for each household. Okay. Just write the command save, comma, replace. Save, comma, replace means this CID will save in your data file. Okay. File CEO, this, saved. Okay. Have you completed it or are you facing any problem?
So why are we adding number 11 in that command after string?
Because there is 9 digit, nine digit means this. NSS instruct to create CID, we have to use this 4 variable. First FSU serial number has digit 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay. So
Yes.
nine length or 9 digit we have, but for the flexibility and it will merge properly, because in individual file we will also have one extra variable, that is person ID. Okay. So NSS instructs, NSS has 9 variable, and in different means personal file we have one additional variable that called personal identification number. Okay. That's why, for the sake of flexibility and will match easily, merge easily, we will write 11 length.
Okay.
Okay. STR11 means length. You can write 9, 10, it's up to it.
Okay.
Different from different NSS round or different. If you will do primary survey, your common ID will be 3 digit. It would be like 3, 4, 5, anything. But NSS instruct here for 9 digit and one person serial number. That's why we have used 11.
So can you also explain save replace command? Can you also once again explain the save replace command?
Save command means you have created new variable called common ID, CID. So this CID will save in your existing file. If you would like to save any generated variable in your existing file, you have to use this command save, comma, replace. It will save your new generated file, new generated variable in same file, means existing file.
Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shall we move?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now it's saved. We have to use command clear, CLEAR, to clean our existing data file, and again we have to generate common ID in person file. Okay, so please open personal file and use same command gen id str11 equals to you. We have to use same variable here also, but there is but variable name is different in this file. In household files we have written V13 for FSU, but here we have written V45 for FSU. So we have to select V45 plus sample this plus second state statum and this household number. Okay. Again, generate new variable PID. And now again we have to use save, comma, replace. Okay. Now our common ID is ready. Now we will merge two, means personal file or household file in one file using this common ID. To do this, we have to first sort our CID. Sorting means if you write command brcid, okay, you will find 11101 11 0 1101. It's not sorted. Sorted means it's not arranged in ascending or descending order. So we have to write the command sort PID. Okay. Now it's sorted in ascending order. Again, save, comma, replace. Okay. Now this CID is sorted. Clear it and open household file. Again, sort it, sort CID, and write a command merge CID using this file path. Now we are going to merge household file and individual file. Copy this file path from inverted comma to inverted comma and paste it here. Just enter it. Merging means horizontal summation of two data. Since previously in household file we have only household characteristics and we have different file for individual characteristics. Okay, but after merging it, now we have all the household and as well as individual level variable in same file, like state code, this one is household type, household size, religion, social group, and we also have sex, age, marital status, general education, this one. Okay. Likewise, we have to save it. Household, person, 2018, 19 data. After generation of CID, we have to use this first visit, open this person first visit file, data file. Open this person file, sort CID, save, replace, clear, and open this household first visit file, sort CID, and use this command merge CID using file path.
So can you explain the tab merge command? The
Hello.
tab underscore merged. The tab underscore merge command.
It's just for check whether this merging is correct or not. Means whether it is merged properly or not. If you get this type of information like tree and frequency means one frequency, that means it's your merging is correct. And you can also match this number 4207550 from here, this one, because it's larger file. Obviously person file is larger than household file, because one household contains more than one observation.
Right.
So we are merging small file to large file. And merging means horizontal summation of data. Or horizontal summation means you have household information and personal information in one file. That
What
means
is the number 3 below the merge? What is the number 3 that it is showing below the merge column?
if it's not merged properly, data will show 1, 2, 3. Okay. Some observation corresponding with 1, 2, and 3. So 1 means 1 or 2 means there is no exact merging. Means not horizontally added. Someone means some variable is different in household file, means your CID is different from household file, and your means your CID is in both file is not similar or not same. But if you get 3, that means that your all variable or means all variable has merged properly.
Okay. Got it, sir.
Because in merge means horizontal summation of two levels of file. If you will do append, that means vertical summation of two or more files. In case of append, you will see your number means your number of observation, that is means your frequency will increase. But in case of merging, your frequency will be constant, but your variable will increase. Variable means in first round we have only household level information, but now we have household and individual level information in shape file.
Okay.
Okay. Now save this file. If you click here in data editor or data browser, you can find your all data in purple color. Okay. That means it's distinct. Sorry, distinct way. The value. Distinct value means it's non-numerical value. So this data can read only numerical value. So we can't mean at the stage of this means string string variable. We can't do any estimation or any calculation in this data. So to do this some estimation or some calculation, we have to convert it first in the string file. Okay. So to convert a string to the string, we have to write the command the string dsp comma replace. Replace means we want to only convert a string file to the string file. We don't want to change any variable or any observation. Just write enter the. We'll get this information v1 numeric characteristic no replace is int by this like this. We have to click here on more for further operations. It will take some time, and how much time it will take, it depends on your computer. Computer means configuration of your computer. Okay. Now use command save, comma, replace again to. Okay. Are you facing any problem?
No, sir.
So is it too boring? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it too boring?
No, sir.
Sir, can you explain what happens? What exactly happened after the dstring command? Like, can you show it in the data how it is
Using this, after using this string command, your string means your non-numeric data will convert into this string means numeric data. Now you can do any calculation, estimation, or anything, and it will also change color. Those variables were by default the string variable, like any means anything which is not in between 0 to 9 means non-numeric data, like this one, 2, 6, F6. Okay. Now we can do any calculation, estimation, or so. Last part is generate weight. Now question is why weight is important. So because NSS is sample data, it's not census data. So to estimate sample, to estimate population from given sample, we have to use some kind of weight. In case of weight, NSS also gives some instruction how to generate the weight and all. So this is the instruction of final weight. They have already generated multipliers. So formula to for generate weight would be weight generate weight equals to MLT multiplier divided by 100 if NSS equals to NSC, and otherwise means replace weight if replace weight equals to MLT divided by 200, otherwise means if NSS not equals to NSC. So we will write that command, then gen weight means WT, generate weight equals to MLT. MLT multiplier means this value, this one, multiplier 31 divided by 100. If NSS equals to MSC. Okay. Otherwise means replace weight equals to this one MLT divided by 100 if NSS not equals to means this not equals to save new generated variable, that is weight, we have to use again save. Now our data file is ready. We can estimate each and everything within this data file. So next lecture will be given by Professor Arup Mitra about what is the labor market indicator and all. And after that, Krishna Ram will taught you how to estimate different labor market indicator like labor force participation rate, workforce participation, wage, and type of employment, industry-wise, occupational-wise, state-wise, any indicator using this data. So please save it. And so please let me know what is have any problem, doubt, query, confusion.
So I didn't get the weight, the assigning of the weight part. Can you please explain it in more detail?
I mean, command or anything else.
No, the concept.
Oh, basically, NSS is it's not census data. It's sample data, survey, sampling. NSS doing sampling, and after that, he converts they convert their schedule from their respondent. So means it's sample. When we, we would like to estimate for population using this sample, we have to use weight. Okay, and weight is determined by your sampling strategy. So, as per sampling strategy, NSS also provide direct formula and also when computed some multipliers like it's a like of weight. You can see just browse and this multiplier. NSS also gives us this type of weight, and for final weight they have also give instruction to generate final weight. Means they have provide this MLDS multipliers and we have to generate final weight. If you would like to work for some like you would like to capture or study the seasonal variation in self-employment or any type of employment. So you have to use this different weight. Different weight means particular this weight means you have to generate weight for particular quarter. So you have to generate 4 type of weight for different quarters. So basically means weight is used for to estimate population through sample.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
But
Good
what
afternoon.
is the meaning? So one last question. What is the meaning of in the README file? They've given that final weight is equal to MLTS by 100 if NSS equals NSC. What does that mean? If NSS equals NSC, what is the meaning of that?
For this, you have to understand the whole sampling strategy of NSS. So I have already sent your document to all of you. So please read that document carefully because the weight is determined by sampling strategy. And there is one document, just the estimation process of, just a minute. It's also available on the website. Uh, estimation process of DLFS. I have already sent it. This one, list of household. So please read this document. You will get all the answers.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. Who is there?
Sir, I have a question regarding the file merging of revisit and first visit data. My objective is
Huh?
to determine the gender wage gap in India.
Yeah, please introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Amapreet Trivedi. I am a research scholar
Yes.
in statistics from University of Lucknow.
Mm-hmm.
And my research topic is gender wage gap in India, a quantile regression modeling approach.
It's okay. Please continue.
Sir, for that
Your
purpose,
question.
I need to merge the revisit and first visit data for both household and personal level.
Means what? I didn't get your question. Please repeat it.
Sir, my objective is to determine the gender wage gap in India.
Hmm.
For that, do I need to merge the revisit and first visit of household and personal level?
No, revisit is totally different. It's only for urban area and its
Yes.
panel data means rotational panel for only for urban area. If you would like to work on exclusively on urban wage gap or urban wage discrimination, then
Yes, sir.
you can use revisit data.
That means only first visit can be applied.
Hmm. Because it's for all over India. You can use
Yes.
urban wage, rural wage, or all India wage discrimination differential motive.
Okay, sir. That's awesome. Thank you, sir.
Anyone? Abhi Ansari?
Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So, any other question in the session? So, I hope all participants have tried these things to convert extract data from text data to stata data. So, today session was really very good. I think it was first hands-on practical session. So now I request our participant Nilesh Pant. Nilesh, are you online?
Yes, sir.
To propose vote of thanks to our resource
Yes.
person.
Okay. On the behalf of all of us, I would like to thank Dr. Manik Kumar
If
while
possible,
acting as
your video, is it possible?
pardon sir.
आप वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं तो कर
हाँ
लीजिए, अगर नेटवर्क सही हो तो, नहीं तो कोई बात Yes. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Nilesh Pant. I'm pursuing my PhD. My research topic is politics of health. The case study of Bhutia type of Uttarakhand. Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So, on the behalf of all of us, I would like to thank Dr. Manik Kumar for enlightening us with whereabouts of NSSO data abstraction. In first session, he explained about labor force survey, labor force survey, and number of variables involved in it, and that is the variables, name data, name identifications, type of surveys, and he and the difference between the household and personal household data and personal level data. He explained various things. In in second session, he further explained about VLFS household data, how it is arranged as data level, how it is done in a how dictionary format in which data is arranged in a data level, and how the what is meant by weight analysis, and all these things have elaborately discussed by her. The lecture was very enriching, as well as was providing us with new insight.
Thank you. Thank you, Nilesh. Thank you so much. So now, yes, Manik, you want to say? So can we finish the session now?
Yes, sir, sure, sir.
Okay, so we will again resume at 2 o'clock. So Professor Arup Mitra will be delivering his lecture on understanding labor market indicators. So it will be mostly, I think, a theoretical lecture. Okay. Okay, bye. Till then, we will take a lunch break. Thank you.
Sure, sir. Thank you, Nilesh.
Thanks a lot.
Welcome.
Bye. Okay, bye.